Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a business insurance framework with Allstate. Quick to build a business insurance framework with Allstate, start by assessing your business needs. Evaluate the type of business you operate, including its size and industry. Identify the specific risks your business faces, such as property damage, liability, and employee injuries. Research the different types of insurance coverage available, including general liability, property insurance, and workers' compensation. Visit the Allstate website or contact an Allstate agent to gather information on their insurance products. Request a quote tailored to your business needs to understand potential costs. Review the coverage options provided in the quote, ensuring they align with your identified needs. Ask questions regarding any unclear aspects of the coverage options to gain a better understanding. Consider any additional coverages that might benefit your business, such as professional liability or business interruption insurance. Once you have gathered all necessary information, compare Allstate's offerings with other providers to ensure you're making an informed choice. After deciding on the best coverage, complete the application process with Allstate. Review the policy terms carefully before finalizing the purchase. Schedule regular reviews of your insurance policy to ensure it continues to meet your business needs as it grows. Keep documentation organized and accessible for future reference during claims or reviews. Stay informed about any changes in laws or regulations that may affect your insurance requirements. By following these steps, you will successfully build a comprehensive business insurance framework with Allstate. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.